Okay guys, today we're gonna work a series of indefinite integrals. Indefinite integrals are those without a limit. We're gonna start with question 1, which is the integral of root x dx. The first thing you look forward to do is see if you can simplify the equation which is given before you integrate. So the integral of root x can be simplified to give integral of x to the half power dx. Now we will proceed to integrate, which will give x to the 3 on 2 over 3 and 2 plus c. The plus c is a constant which is not to be given when dealing with definite integrals, but since this is indefinite and we don't have a limit, we can use a letter to represent that constant, which can be any letter. It can be x, b, c, d, f, g, anyone. So to simplify our answer further, this would give x to the 3 and 2 and 3 plus c. How we get this 2 and 3 here is by shifting out the denominator, the 3 and 2 denominator, which you can do by, this is basically 1, 3, 2, and by flipping this you will get 2 and 3. By flipping I mean like 1 and 3 times 2 and 3, which is no 1 and 3 times 1 and 2, no plus times 2 and 1, sorry, 2 and 1, my bad, 2 and 1, which will give 2 and 3. So this is the answer, guys. Okay, question 2 is dealing with exponential, so this is a different case. So this would give the integral of 3e to the x dx, and I said integrate this. Can this be simplified? Yes. When you have a constant in a multiplication form, you can shift the constant outside of the integrate sign. So this will give you 3 integral e to the x dx. Then now we proceed to do integration. So the answer now would be 3 e to the x plus c. When integrating e to the x, the exponential, the function do not change. However, let's say you add 2 here, then this would be 1 and 2 e to the 2x. You basically put 1 over the coefficient of the x in the power of the exponential, and that would be your answer. So if it was, say, integral of e to the 3x, then it would be 1 over 3 e to the 3x as the answer. So exponential can be rather easy unless they are put in complex situations. So now guys, let's move on to question 3, which is the integral of a quadratic equation. Can this be simplified? Yes, it can. What we'll do is multiply throughout the bracket by the integral sign. So the simplified version would be integral 3x squared minus the integral of root 5x plus the integral of 2 dx. Okay, then now we proceed to do integration, or should I say, let's simplify it further by shifting the constants outside of the integration sign. So let's go. This would be 3 integral of x squared minus root 5 integral of x plus 2 integral of 1 and all that by dx. So let's start by integrating. This will give you 3 x to the 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, which is x cubed and 3 minus root 5 x to the 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, 2 over 2 plus 2, integral of 1 is x plus c. And this answer can be further simplified because 3 cancel 3 here, so this will give you x cubed minus root 5 and 2 x squared plus 2x plus c. And that, dear guys, is the end of this session of the integration of indefinite functions. Thank you, and join us on our next video, which continue on the integration of indefinite functions. Good night.